Good morning, children. Welcome to Vamsi's My School. Let us start our 4th class English reader. This is Blossoms 4 State Government textbook. Before we start our class, please subscribe this channel. Press on the bell button so that you will get the notifications as well. Okay, children. So, what is the first lesson? See the title of the first lesson. 3 butterflies. Can you see now? Okay. 3 butterflies. So, before that, pre-reading has been given. What is the pre-reading here? See the picture. One girl, two girls, second girl. Okay. Two girls are walking in the rain. One is having umbrella and she is not getting wet. And another one is wetting in rain. Okay. They are both on in uniform, school uniform. Okay. So, this is first activity. Let us see. So, what is the first question? See here. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture, children? Yeah, two girls are walking in the rain. Okay, very good. Do you like to play in the rain? Yeah, of course. Why not? We like to play in the rain. Do you carry when you go out? What do you carry when you go out in rain? Generally, what do we carry? Umbrella. Hey, very good. If you were in the place of the girl holding an umbrella, what would you do? What do you say to your friend? Suppose, let me see. See, this both girls are walking in the rain. Okay. So, what you will say? Hey, come on, friend. What happened to you? Where is your umbrella? Get into my umbrella so that you will never get wet. We can both of you go to school. Yes or no? Okay, that's right. So, pre-activity also completed. Now, let us go with the lesson. So, I am reading here, children. Please follow. First reading, second reading we have to make. Okay. So, put your finger on the lines. Oh, 1 second. Let me adjust. Okay. 3 butterflies. Have you seen the pictures in this paper? Yeah, in the first page. So, this is the reading activity. So, see the beautiful butterflies are there. 3. How many are there? 3. Very good. Let us go through. Three butterflies lived in a garden. They were friends. One of them was white, one red, and the other yellow. They played and danced together. They flew together and sucked nectar from the flowers. One afternoon, when the butterflies were playing in the garden, it suddenly grew dark and cold wind blew. It's going to rain. Let's stop playing, said the red butterfly. Suddenly, it started raining and the 3 butterflies got wet in the rain. They found it difficult to fly. They looked for shelter. They saw a sunflower nearby. It was watching them curiously. Hello, sunflower. It's raining heavily. Can we stay here till it stops raining? Asked the butterflies. The sunflower said, my favorite red and yellow ones. You can stay with me till it stops raining. But I can't let the white one in here. The yellow and the red butterflies replied, no dear, we won't stay here. Sending away our friend in dismay. The rain came down like pebbles on the butterflies. Next page. Then the butterflies saw a white lily. Hello, good lily. It's raining heavily. Open your petals wide and take us in to hide. The butterflies begged. My favorite white one, you can stay with me till it stops raining. But I can't let the other two of you here, said the white lily. No, dear, I won't stay here, sending away my friends in dismay, replied the white butterfly. The butterflies were totally wet by then, and it was very difficult for them to fly. They looked at the sky. It was still cloudy. The sun was watching the butterflies from behind the clouds. He was pleased to see the love and care among the butterflies. So he chased the clouds away and it stopped raining. The sun dried the butterflies' wings. The three butterflies were happy again. They danced in the garden among the flowers till evening. When night fell, the three butterflies went to sleep together. Okay, children, this is the first reading. You take your textbooks and go with the second reading. Okay, always English lesson should go with two readings. Then you will understand what is the meaning of the story. By then, now I think you got some idea about the lessons. Am I right or not? The three butterflies are very good friends. Am I right, children? Yeah. So you should be also like three butterflies which loves and cares each other. Okay. After reading this lesson, in the next class, let us go to the grocery part, comprehension, vocabulary and other things. Okay. So see you soon. Bye bye.